I talk about existential thinking. Obviously, I say thinking, but not normal thinking. See, normal thinking comes from something. Say, it's a process. You think this and that and the other thing, and you've got knowledge, and you sift through data, and make conclusions, and draw belief. Stuff like that, right? See, and it's usually founded on lots of assumptions. You're starting with what I call assumptions. Axiom, value systems, etc., whatever. So it's already there. It's already a foundation. And then you think. You go through these processes and think, and come up with good ideas, whatever, or are not. Bad ideas. But then existential thinking is not starting with assumptions. It's still based in the reality that we share, but it's not taking anything for granted, even the sharing. See? It's starting with nothing. And then considering something, whatever we're talking about, right? And then considering in the light of its creation, considering in the light of its origins. If it's something that already exists, for example, then what is it? How did it get created? Where did it come from, kind of deal? See, what's the origins of it? How did it start from nothing? See, and you go back and you existentially recreate how that had to have happened. Not like a process, it's inevitable. See, but anyway. It says existential thinking, so it's like a new context for thinking, so to speak, or investigating.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.